Gonna get to work once he gets through with this part, baby. Yeah, he's gonna back up. He's gonna set that over here, and we're gonna mulch on top of our no-till garden. First one right there. Come on, baby. Let's go show him. Come on, Hammer. Woo! Working hard on the farm. Hammer, come.
Miss, anybody give you a garden?
Ooh, he's having to go around all these trees, all these baby fig trees. Stay there, stay there. That bale breaks. It weighs a lot of weight. Stay.